If your Microsoft PowerPoint file is not saving, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick and reliable fixes to get your presentation saved properly again. This is a common problem, and it can happen because of a temporary glitch, a problematic add-in, or even a folder permission issue. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without losing your work. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's try the fastest fix, which is saving the file with a new name. At the top of PowerPoint, click File, then choose Save As. Instead of overwriting the current file, pick a new name for the presentation. You can also choose a different location, like your desktop or documents folder, which are usually safer than restricted folders. After that, click Save. In many cases, this instantly fixes the issue because it clears out temporary save problems and creates a fresh copy of your file. If PowerPoint still refuses to save, the next thing to try is disabling add-ins. Sometimes a bad add-in can interfere with PowerPoint's normal behavior and cause saving errors. To do this, press Win and R on your keyboard, then type PowerPoint/safe and press Enter. This opens PowerPoint in safe mode, which helps you test whether an add-in is causing the problem. Once PowerPoint opens, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom, you'll see a Manage box. Select COM Add-ins and click Go. Now disable all the add-ins you see there. After that, restart PowerPoint normally and try saving your file again. If the problem is gone, one of those add-ins was likely the cause. Now let's check the file location and permissions. If you're trying to save inside a folder that has restricted access, PowerPoint may not be allowed to write the file there. For example, some protected system folders, shared network folders, or cloud synced folders can cause issues. To test this, save your presentation directly to the desktop or the documents folder. If it saves successfully there, the original folder is probably the issue. You may need to change permissions, use a different folder, or move the file back later once it's saved correctly. If your file was originally opened from an email attachment, a USB drive, or a synced cloud folder, it can also help to make a local copy first. Open the file, use Save As, and save it somewhere simple on your computer. That often removes the temporary lock or sync conflict that was preventing the save. You should also make sure PowerPoint is fully updated because bugs in older versions can sometimes cause save problems too. If your app is outdated, an update may fix the issue automatically. And if the file is very large, try removing unnecessary media or unused slides to reduce the chance of saving errors. So to recap, first, try Save As with a new name and location. Second, start PowerPoint in safe mode and disable add-ins. Third, check the file location and save to a folder like desktop or documents. These simple steps solve most PowerPoint saving issues without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Office fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.